Hello, let's take a look at my thrift haul from Vermont. Okay, today I want to show you what I got in Vermont when I was on my little vacation. So I went to Vermont just for a long weekend, and it was March, so it's kind of cold. So a lot of these things have to do with I was cold that day. Okay, so let's jump in. I got this really cute head warmer, ear warmer thing, brand new, made in Nepal. It was $7, but spring is a great time to get winter items because usually they're trying to get rid of them. Sometimes they're marked down, and people are also donating them, so you can get some really nice things. So I got this headband. I also got these gloves. Like I said, I was cold that day. I think I forgot to bring gloves. Silly. And also got these socks. I don't usually buy socks, but these just look nice and warm. Again, all my things that I buy from the thrift shop will get washed or somehow sanitized. Okay, and what I said was I was looking for some early American or new colonial type items. So I found this little stuffed ornament, star ornament. I thought it was really cute, kind of primitive. Anyway, that's my thing right now. I got a couple books. This is David Sedaris. It's a children's book. Anyway, I love his writing. I did buy this art book, which I showed in my other video, and the illustrations are just so great. So I don't know if I'm keeping it as a book or if I'll use the illustrations or what, but anyway, I got that. And then I've been really interested in quilts. Now, I'm not really a good seamstress, not good at sewing, but I think I can sew a straight line. So I got this book on quilts, and I've been thinking I would like to try making a quilt, but again, I'm not a big sewer, so we'll see how that goes. Don't worry, I'll bring you guys along for the ride. Anyway, there's some gorgeous, gorgeous quilts in this book. So I'm really excited to take a look at that and design my first quilt. Okay, speaking of quilts, I also found, because it was Vermont probably, they had a lot of like quilty things. So I found this fabric that was, somebody started a quilt. It's probably like 4 feet long. Anyway, I thought this would make a great pillow or something like that. And I thought it would be good for me to kind of study quilt making, and I don't know, I just liked it. Anyway, it was $2. Then I found the triangles that are the same as this quilt. So this is the same. So I thought I could try and practice making quilt with this. So that's what I'm going to do. I got a couple other fabrics. I always buy fabrics. I think it's great to have things that you can make pillows out of, or pillowcases, or doll clothes, or whatever, you know. This is a really cute camping themed. Probably should take it off the okay, so I'm going to take this out a little bit. It's just a little fabric with camping theme. I thought it was so cute. And it's funny how when you go to different places, they have people have different types of things. Like in Vermont, everything was sort of like woodsy and kind of down to earth. And I've been to other places like when I go to Georgia to visit, like things are a little bit more, there's a little more sunshine, there's more like sunny things. There's just things that are better in the warm weather. So I don't know. I also got this piece of fabric. It's pretty big. Let's see, how big is it? 48 by 80. Not sure what's happening with this. I think I'm going to make a bolster pillow maybe for my bed. I don't know. Another little scrap of fabric that's like a vintage. I thought this was really cute. Okay, just a couple more things. I got these adhesive packets, adhesive label packets. You put them on a container with You can write on the label and stick it in, and then you can change it. And I use a lot of bins here for storage, so I thought these would be good for marking my bins, and then I can change it out instead of me making a card or whatever every time I have a project that I want to put in a bin. Okay, and last, I got this cute little light. It's a light, like it has like a little frog on it, see? And I guess it had a glass bulb. I don't know. So I got to find a glass globe or whatever that can go on this. But I just thought that was so cute. Little froggy. And this is a little flower. Anyway, I just get a kick out of things sometimes. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.